Hyperthyroidism diet and natural treatment. Hyperthyroidism is a condition related to having an underactive thyroid gland that does not properly make or release thyroid hormones. The thyroid gland normally releases many crucial hormones that travel throughout the bloodstream and reach receptors that are found throughout the whole body. So, a disturbance in thyroid function can cause widespread, noticeable health problems. Some of the most common symptoms of hyperthyroidism: changes to your metabolism, heart function, digestion, energy, appetite, sleep, mood, even the growth of your hair, skin, and nails. Hyperthyroidism symptoms. The thyroid is considered a master gland, and in addition to producing crucial hormones, it also helps control the process of tuning nutrients from food into unusable energy that your body runs on. Because the thyroid plays such a major part in your metabolism, dysfunction can wind up affecting almost every part of the body, wind up dealing with depression, anxiety, trouble getting good sleep, and low immunity. The thyroid glands helps regulate chemical messengers called neurotransmitters that control your emotions and nerve signaling, which is the reason an out of balance thyroid can mean drastic emotional changes at times. Hyperthyroidism is diagnosed when TSH is high. Sometimes TSH can be high, but the thyroid is still producing enough hormones, so this condition is referred to as subclinical or mild hyperthyroidism. Impaired brain function, infertility, unhealthy pregnancy, obesity, heart complications, and joint pain. The hyperthyroidism diet plan. Here are the top foods in the hyperthyroidism diet and to start the healing process. Wild caught fish. These provide omega-3 fatty acids that are essential for hormone balance and thyroid function. Balancing the level of omega-3 to omega-6 fatty acids in your hyperthyroidism diet can reduce inflammation and support healthy neurological function. Wild fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines are some of the best sources of omega-3s to increase neurotransmitter activity and support a healthy mood and immune system. Coconut oil provides medium-chain fatty acids in the form of caprylic acid, lauric acid, and capric acid that support a healthy metabolism. It increases energy and fights fatigue. A staple of the hypothyroidism diet, coconut oil is easy to digest, nourishes the digestive system, and has antimicrobial, antioxidant, and antibacterial properties. Seaweeds. Some of the best natural sources of iodine. These help prevent deficiencies which disturb thyroid function and should appear in your weekly hyperthyroidism diet. Kelp, nori, and dulse are the best choices. Look for dried varieties of these at health food stores. Prerobotic rich foods. These include kefir, a fermented dairy product, or organic goat's milk yogurt. Kimchi, kombucha, natto, sauerkraut, and other fermented veggies. Part of your hyperthyroidism diet, probiotics help create a healthy gut environment by balancing microflora bacteria, which reduces leaky gut syndrome, nutrient deficiencies, inflammation, and autoimmune reactions. Sprouted seeds. Flax, hemp, and chia seeds provided ALA, a type of omega-3 fat that's critical for proper hormonal balance and thyroid function. Adequate levels of fats in your hyperthyroidism diet support a healthy mood and brain function while helping to lower inflammation. Eating plenty of healthy fats also stabilizes blood sugar levels and can help you stay at a healthy weight. Adding sprouts to your diet, you can reduce hyperthyroidism. Clean water. Water helps with hydration and digestive function while preventing fatigue and moodiness. For prevention of constipation, low energy, and sugar cravings, drink at least 8 ounces of water for every 2 hours. High fiber foods. People with hyperthyroidism may have digestive difficulties, so aim for 30 to 40 grams of fiber daily. In addition to a high fiber diet helping with digestive health, it improves heart health, balances blood sugar levels, and supports a healthy weight by making you feel fuller. Some easy ways to increase fiber intake include eating more fresh vegetables, berries, beans, lentils, and seeds. Bone broth. Beef and chicken stock contain the amino acids proline and glycine, which can help repair the digestive lining and improve hyperthyroidism. Bone broth also contains numerous important minerals that nourish the digestive tract and prevent deficiencies like calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and silicon. As part of your hyperthyroidism diet, bone broth has been shown to help overcome food sensitives, improve energy and fight fatigue, increase immunity, and lower pain of the muscles and joints. Vegetables and fruits. These are the high in vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that are necessary for combating free radical damage and lowering inflammation. By adding all these foods to your diet, you can reduce hypothyroidism a very short period of time.